Hello guys, how you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. So guys, I'll be showing you guys how you can actually customize a 13x4 and 13x6 frontal pattern on a paper that you can easily pin down your lace frontal on it and then you vent. Okay, to all my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. So this is the materials we'll be needing. We need pencil, our scissors, tape, paper. So first thing first, the first thing we are going to do is to measure out 13 inches. Remember, we are customizing 13x4 and 13x6 frontal pattern. Okay, so when I did this, I noticed that my paper is not up to 13 inches, so I have to add extra paper. Okay, and use my seal tape to add both together. So after that, I have to measure out 13 inches to make sure that the paper is up to 13 inches. So it's up to that, so I have to measure out 13 inches and indicate where it stops, which I'm going to cut off the excess paper. I just need 13 inches. So I have to cut off the excess paper. Remember what we are doing with this, you can easily place this on your mannequin hair, then place your lace on it, your frontal lace, and then you ventilate. And we are actually going to customize a perfect hairline, so a hairline is not a problem. I'm still going to show you guys how you can customize a perfect hairline too. So I have to mark out the center of this 13 inches, which is 6.5, because this will actually help us when we want to make our curve. 6.5, which is in between 6 and 7. Okay, so I mark it out to help us for the curve. So when I'm done, I have to mark out 6 inches from that center point. So I have to mark out 6 inches. Remember what we are doing: 13x6 and 13x4 frontal pattern on a paper that you can easily place on your mannequin head and you do your ventilation, guys. So when I'm done, I have to use my metal rule to connect the 2 points. So when I'm done connecting the 2 points, I have to mark out 6.5 inches both for the right and the left side. Okay, which when you add together, you get our 13x6. Sorry, we get our 13 inches. So I just mark out 6.5 for the left, and then from the right. Okay, I'm marking this out from the center pattern we did. Okay, remember the first 6 inches we measured is for our center, is the center. So from there, now we are going to do a curve. Okay, for both sides. I'm going to use a free hand to do this. If you have a curve rule, you can use a curve rule because it's actually going to give you that perfect curve. But I'm just going to use a free hand to do this. If you don't have a curve rule, you can still use your free hand. But if you have a curve rule, you can use it. It's much better. So I'm just trying to do a curve for both sides. So guys, if you know you are finding any value from this video, please hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. If you have any question, any confusion, or anything I want me to make video on, let me know in the comment section. Please like the video. So when we are done with the first one, the second one we are going to do now is 4 inches. So from that 6 inches, we will measure out 4 inches. Remember, we are customizing 13x6 and 13x4 frontal pattern on a paper that you can easily place on your mannequin head and vent. So I will repeat the same thing. I'll still do a free hand curve to meet the first curve we did. Okay, So this is for the 13 by 4. The first one we did is for 13 by 6. So I'll just label them accordingly: 13 by 6 and 13 by 4. So when we are done with this, the next thing now is to cut off the excess paper. So just have to trim out the excess paper. When we are done, then we'll customize our perfect hairline. Like I said, I'll show you guys how to customize your perfect hairline. If you do this, you can simply place this in on your mannequin head and vent a very perfect customized frontal. So now to get our perfect hairline, from our center parts, I'll just measure at 2 inches. Okay, remember the center part to serve both for the 13 by 4 and 13 by 6. So from that center part, okay, so I'll just measure out 2 inches. You can still use your tape to do this, you can still use your meter rule to do this, but make sure you are using the inches part if you are using a meter rule. So I will repeat the same thing for the other side to 2 inches. Then when we are done, it's now time for us to connect each point. Okay, just watch what I'm doing, guys. So I will connect each point to meet the other, the 2 inches we marked. So the remaining one, after making the second 2 inches, not up to second inches, so you can just leave it like that. So from this first one, I will connect moving up. Then when I'm done, then the second one I will connect moving down. I don't know if you guys understand. If you watch this video closely, seriously, sorry, you will really get what I'm doing. So after down, then I will move up. From up, I will move down, just like that. So I will repeat the same thing for the second part. Okay, the first one I'm going to move up, then the second one I will move down, third one I'll move up, just like that. So this is simply how you can customize your hairline. Okay, for your frontals, you can still use this measure for your full lace too. Okay, so with this, now we have our 13 by 4 and 13 by 6 frontal customized on a paper. So I just have to secure this on my mannequin hair. Show you guys how you can secure it. Make sure it's straight, okay, no lump. So just secure it. You can use a C-tape to do this, or anything that can hold it. So look at it, guys. With this, you can simply place your frontal lace on it, pin it down, and you ventilate. You have your front line, you have everything. Guys, if you know you found any value from this video, please consider subscribing. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.